Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to Emergent AI. Start by opening the Emergent interface. In the main prompt area, describe what you want to build. For example, you can say that you want a dashboard that shows Google Analytics data like active users, sessions, or conversion rates. Keep the description clear and simple so Emergent understands your goal. Next, move to the integration step in your workflow. Here, declare Google Analytics as the service you want to use. Emergent will guide you to connect your Google Analytics account. When prompted, sign in with your Google account and approve access using OAuth 2.0. This happens inside Emergent's secure and encrypted interface, so your credentials stay protected. After authorization, choose the data you want to pull from Google Analytics. Select metrics such as active users, total sessions, bounce rate, or conversion rate. You can also choose where this data should go. For example, you can map the data to a Google Sheet for reporting or send updates to Slack for notifications. Once everything is configured, save and run the workflow. Emergent will now automatically pull data from Google Analytics and use it inside your app. Thanks for watching.